Landscaping for the first time? Here's 4 tips to get started. Notice existing plants, paths, slopes, structures, and think about what your goals are for your landscape. If you want more shade, consider planting a shade tree. If you want more privacy, evergreen trees are great for creating a privacy hedge. If you want to grow your own food, consider planting a fruit tree to create a backyard orchard. If you need help, the team of plant experts at Fast Growing Trees are happy to provide recommendations based on your climate. Measure your yard and create a rough drawing of the layout. Note how much light different areas receive, hills, structures, areas where water accumulates, and if you live in a dry climate, make note of any existing irrigation. You're also going to want to note if you have rabbits or deer in your area. Now it's time to decide where you want to plant. For this project, we are going to start by adding a garden bed along this fence line. Don't feel like you need to solve for your whole landscape at once. Breaking it down into smaller projects can make it way more manageable. Before you get to planting, do your homework. Check property lines, HOA rules, and locate underground utilities. It's always best to call before you dig. Now that you understand your space, watch the rest of this series for tips on finding inspiration, pairing plants, and proper planting techniques.